Riley, this is Armadillo Andy. Hey, I thought I'd take a real quick video just to show you about how to attach your bracket for your seat belts. You said that you got a 2-inch bracket. That's correct. That's the way they're made. As you can see from this belt here, and I'm going to take this apart, well, this is a 3-inch adjuster. This is only 2-inch. So here's how it works. And this, by the way, Riley, is done on almost all belts. 3-inch brackets are very unusual, and most people don't use them. So here you can see this is a 2-inch bracket here. The belts are just simply folded over like this so that they fit perfectly within the 3-inch belts. And then, of course, you go back and through the double adjuster so that your belts are attached. Now this is a snap-in, and the one that you've got is going to be a bolt-in. But no, you've got the right thing. This is the one to use. I'm going to send this in an email to you. Thanks, Riley. Bye-bye.